If you're looking to spice up the looks of your C8 Corvette and want it to stand out amongst all the others on the road, you might want to look into a set of these rear diffuser inserts from ACS Composite. Now, my personal opinion, I think the rear of the C8 Corvette is what needs the most work. It just looks a little bit bland and doesn't quite match the aggressive looks of the rest of the car. So a rear diffuser would be the perfect solution to this. Now, ACS Composites has managed to make some inserts that bolt directly to your factory bumper trim with 2 mounting brackets and 4 screws. Now, this is not only just an aesthetic piece, but this is functional as well, because ACS says that this will reduce turbulence and direct fast-moving air away from the undercarriage for more stability. Now, I'm sure that's not something you're necessarily going to feel a whole lot on the street, but if you do track your car, then maybe that will become noticeable. But from an aesthetic standpoint, you cannot beat the aggressive looks of these inserts. Now, they are made from ACS's PC composite via injection and are painted in a carbon flash black to perfectly match the Stingray's trim. It also says that select body colors are also available for an even bolder look. Now, given the photos provided by ACS, I will say these diffusers look absolutely incredible. This is the aggressive look that I think the C8 should have came with from the factory. I would say these look great in both colored and carbon flash black. It would kind of be tough to choose. They also unfortunately don't mention if the color is an additional charge, but they do say that for a pair of these, it will cost you $899 and shipping is free. Now, ACS Composites does sell other accessories for your C8 Corvette, like an under tray plate and rock guards, so make sure you check out the website for everything you can get to deck out your C8 Corvette. If you have a C8 Corvette, let me know what mods you have done or plan on doing in the near future. I love hearing what people are doing with their cars and their projects. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button on your way out to keep up on more news like this.